Luckily enough, it's easy to set up. All you have to do is go into your settings, select Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and once you're done, select Set up Face ID. Then you're going to place your face at the center of the screen and slowly move your head around the circle to complete it. You'll have to do this twice. At this point during the process, the phone is placing infrared dots all over your face to create a map of it. Once again, complete the circle. And once you're finished doing that, your Face ID should be complete. Now you can play around with other settings. For example, you can use Face ID for other apps. Clicking this will give you a list of apps that will ask you if you'd like to use Face ID for them. You could also set up an alternate appearance, require attention for Face ID, which means your eyes have to be directed on the camera when you're unlocking your phone. You can even customize what you can see in your notification and lock screen center.
So how is Face ID compared to other biometric tools?
So comparing this to other biometric tools such as like voice patterns or maybe like iris scanners, the great thing about this, or even actually fingerprint scanners, to compare them. So like fingerprint ID usually messes up a lot because your finger can get sweaty and the scanner won't pick that up, or maybe if you have like a cut on your finger, that can be another issue. And the other biometric tools don't actually authenticate as well. And if we want to compare it to other Face IDs, they're usually not as secure, or we have issues with like lighting, or maybe if you have a change in appearance, like growing facial hair or changing your hairstyle, that can be an issue as well. And with the Face ID for the iPhone, it's really good. It can actually like update these features, and you can consistently, authenticate yourself without any issues.
I use a pin on my phone. How's this much better?
So this is better than a pin because you can kind of forget your pin.
Man, I forgot my passcode again.
You're not really forgetting how your face looks like, or your face, and it's something that can't be replicated. So that's one of the strengths of using a biometric tool or Face ID.
So how does my phone even do this?
So Apple uses a combination of infrared emitters and sensors, and this technology is also known as True Depth, and the iPhone X actually utilizes this. And with this technology, it paints 30,000 infrared points to lights to the person's face, the user's face, and then it will capture a flat or 2D image of their face, and then it creates a map.
Oh, hey Sophia.
Hey guys.
We're talking about Face ID.
Oh, I can't use that. I have a twin sister and she always gets into my phone.
That's very unfortunate.
There's actually another problem with the Face ID actually. So actually we've had problems distinguishing darker skinned people. So what Apple went ahead and did was they used artificial intelligence and embedded like a billion photos for the iPhone's new Face ID feature to register, and now you can distinguish different skin tones. That's a good idea.
Let's talk about some important takeaways from this. Biometric tools are a form of something UR authentication and are considered extremely secure due to their uniqueness to each and every user. We also learned that Apple Face ID among biometric tools and other Face ID models is preferred due to its accuracy, convenience, and overall high performance. Similar to fingerprint ID, Face ID is stored in a secure enclave or a one-way tunnel and is relatively easy for a user to set up. And lastly, Apple Face ID uses True Depth technology with infrared dots to map out a two-dimensional image of your face. Seems pretty cool, right? If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask us. Thanks for watching!